Life is too short to worry about stupid things. Have fun, fall in love, stop regretting, and don't let the people let you down. Life is too short to worry about anything. You had to enjoy it because the next day promise you nothing. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ankit. I hope you all are fine. There is a very famous शायरी, आगाह अपनी मौत से कोई बशर नहीं, आगाह अपनी मौत से कोई बशर नहीं, सामान तो 100 बरस का, पल की खबर नहीं. According to this शायरी, if you don't even know what will happen in next moment, then for what are you worrying for? For what do you think that what will happen next? Why you have a tension in your mind? Why you thinking about your future? Having a vision for a future in your life, it's a vital for your success, but always thinking about your future, it means you are destroying your present right now. Am I right? Yes, I am. If you are living in future by forgetting your present, then how could you suppose that you live your life? If you really want to live your life, then start living this very moment. Enjoy every second of your life. If this moment will pass, then this moment will not come back for you. So enjoy every moment of your life, every second of your life. Be in present. Stop worrying about that what will happen in future. Just be in present. Okay, let us see. What are you worried for? There are few common worries: education, job security, health, financial condition, money, and many more things. Okay, let us see these things like this. If you really want to worry, if you really worry about your education, then how are you able to give you 100% in your education? If you really worry about your job security, then how will you perform? If you really doubt on your partner, then how you supposed to make a trust factor in your relationship and enjoy the relationship? Stop worrying and start enjoying your life. I believe that if I smile, then it will give a positive vibes to the others. My smile motivates others. My parents are happy when they see me happy, when they see me smiling. So stop worrying about everything in your life. Just be in present. Enjoy this moment because you will not get this moment back. Stop meeting those people who always criticize you, who always disgrace you, who always see negative things in you. Meet those people who always encourage you, who always see positives in you, who will tell you what to do and what not to do. So, at last, I want to say, please stop worrying for your future and enjoy your present now. Thank you.